Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And we're keeping a very close eye on the moderate risk of severe weather today. Looks like a damaging wind threat and potentially a derecho, an ongoing long-lived straight-line wind damage threat. Of course, there are certain criteria that a derecho has to fulfill in order to be considered one. But we'll keep you up to date on that. We'll keep you up to date on the excessive heat, which is still kind of locked up in the central U.S. today. As you can see, we have some heat advisories, excessive heat warnings, and these are in place through the day with heat advisory, at least the heat indices that could be topping the 100-degree mark. But thunderstorm activity on the outer periphery of that, pretty typical of midsummer, and a lot of heat and humidity instability for these thunderstorms to feed off of. So from Chicago early today all the way down to Louisville through this late afternoon and early evening, again, maybe a wind damage threat, and we'll see some additional thunderstorms develop late today through the overnight hours, and then some redeveloping thunderstorms late Tuesday and Tuesday night from the Tennessee Valley into the mid-Atlantic states. And then Wednesday, a little quieter, but still a risk in the southeast and also in the central and high plains. So there is that particular daylight wind damage potential as it kind of holds together there through the Ohio Valley, falling apart with some redeveloping thunderstorms again late tonight into the early morning hours of Tuesday. That looks to be falling apart at some point Tuesday afternoon with some redevelopment again down to the southeast. So it's just a very active time period here. Again, damaging winds, locally heavy rain, the primary concern. You can see the void of the heavy rain in the south central part of the U.S. It's too hot almost for shower and thunderstorm development. But again, very warm and humid within this particular area. A lot of 90s showing up from Minneapolis to Dallas, Chicago up to 90 as well. 90 there in Denver and 82 for our friends in D.C. So today, not as bad as tomorrow. D.C. looks like you'll be up near 90 on Tuesday.